A Bluetooth speaker with multicolored lights which can be showcased as a decorative piece and fits perfectly in almost every situation. I am talking about Ambren BT6000. The Ambren BT6000 is available in Amazon for 1000 rupees and it is a great addition to your setup.
Delicious.
It has a 1200 mAh battery with a charging time of almost 3 hours. It can run for 6 to 7 hours on a constant single light and 4 hours with the color changing light, or you can say that the playback time. It has 3 brightness mode with multicolor 8 mode LED light. The light is bright and it can be used as a night light if you wish. In the control panel, it has a lock and unlock LED light, which is used to lock the brightness and the mode of the light. After that, it has previous come volume down button. Then it has play, pause, receive call button. After that, it has next come volume up button. Finally, it has the mode button to switch among Bluetooth, SD card and the aux cable. In the slots section, it has SD card slot, the 3.5mm aux jack and the 5V micro USB charging port. In the back, it has the on-off switch and a hook to hang it in the ceiling or wherever you want. The operational range of this speaker is 10 meters. The build quality of this speaker is good. One of these lights fell from my hand, still no scratch and damage, which is always a good sign. Coming about the sound quality, these speakers are designed for decoration more than giving high quality sounds. But it doesn't mean that they have poor sound quality and not worth to buy. They have decent sound quality. However, if you are looking for only Bluetooth speaker, then this thing is not for you. Keeping all the things in mind, I would say that go for it if you wish to have like one of these. And as always, thanks for watching this video guys, and if you guys like this video, please give this video thumbs up, and if you guys don't like this video, please go to the comment box and state your reason there. And if you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button down there. It is free to subscribe, and I'm Shikha signing off for today. We'll be back with a new video soon. So till then, goodbye.